Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send files from OneDrive to a USB drive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and folders in the cloud. After signing in, wait a moment for the login process to complete. You'll then be directed to your OneDrive dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your cloud storage. Now, to send files from OneDrive to your USB drive, you'll need to first download them from the cloud to your computer and then transfer them to your external drive. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the My Files option. This will display a complete list of all your files and folders stored in your OneDrive account, making it easy to browse and locate exactly what you need. Now, select the files you want to send to your USB drive by clicking on the small checkmark that appears next to each file. You can select multiple files at once, which is helpful if you're transferring several items. Take your time here to make sure you've selected everything you need before moving forward. Once you've made your selections, look for the download option at the top of the page and click on it. OneDrive will automatically prepare a compressed copy of your files in zip format. This zip file makes it convenient to download multiple files at once and keeps everything organized in a single package that you can easily transfer to your external disk. Wait for the download process to complete. Depending on the size of your files and your internet speed, this might take a few moments. You'll typically see the zip file appear in your browser's download folder once it's finished. Now that the download is complete, locate the zip file on your computer. It's usually found in your Downloads folder. Right-click on the zip file to open a context menu with various options. From this menu, hover your cursor over the Send To option. This will expand to show you several destination options where you can send the files directly. From the expanded list, select your USB external drive as the destination. Make sure your USB drive is properly connected to your computer before doing this step. Once you select it, the transfer process will begin automatically, copying the zip file from your computer to your USB drive. All you need to do now is wait for the transfer process to complete. The time this takes depends on the size of your files and the speed of your USB drive. Once finished, you'll have successfully transferred your OneDrive files to your USB drive, and they're ready to use on any device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.